Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product, and it's this guy right here. And it's kind of for the time, right? We're getting a little bit colder out. And what is it? It's the Outjut 2-pack hand warmer rechargeable. It's got 6,000 milliamp hour battery inside. Portable pocket hand warmers. 3 heating modes. USB electric split rechargeable hand warmer. Suitable for outdoor sports, activities, camping, whatever it is that you seem to deem fit. As we dig into this, we will kind of cool looking little designs, I guess, with this. I have not had any experience with these, so let's get into it and see what these are. It comes with a good, sorry about that. So it comes with this manual, and it's a couple, 3 pages long for English. There's DE for German and the French and whatnot. So there's the power indicator, temperature indicator, switch button, heating zone, push right to unlock, push left to lock. Interesting. I don't know what all those mean, but you know what? Nice. Okay, so we have a warranty card here. Tells you about transparency and learning about the card or learning about the device and its support. You have inside this section USB-C to USB. Wait. Well, okay. USB-A to USB-C to C. It's a dual, so it can charge. So you can charge. Yeah. I can see it right there. It's 2. So you can charge both of those hand warmers at the same time. And I'm believing that these are the hand warmer thingamajobbers. That appears all that's in the container. So let's go ahead and pull these out and take a look real quick. Oh no, do they? They appear. Oh yes, they do. Okay, so I don't know if you saw that, but you can take these. They've got a little clip here, so you can set these on each other. Boom, and you got them as a single entity. Oh wow. There's your charging ports. I don't know if you can see that. Let's bring it closer. There's your charging ports in here. Oh, hold on. There we go. You can see that a little bit better now. So it says that this is the heating element here. All right, let's see what we got here. Let me go ahead and set these bags in here and put the cover so they don't blow away. Let me guess, press and hold. Oh, they get warm immediately. Oh, they're warm now. They're getting warm now. Oh yeah, very much so. There's more heat towards the bottom, so I'm guessing it'll build up. And just checking, this is aluminum. So this is a metal plate. This will provide heat. And this is, okay, so is this level 1? This is level 2? I mean, they're hot already. I could barely hold on to them. I mean, not really, but yeah, I mean, kinda. It's kind of warm. And I'm sure that the higher that you increase the heating level, the less amount of time that they'll last. But this is really, really warm. I'm really impressed. These are really warm. I know where these are going. I'm giving these to my wife. She always is cold in the winter. Get her nice little heated hand warmers if she'd like and keep herself warm. So back to 1. And this really gets warm. And I just, oh, and it cools off pretty quickly too. It's dropped down. They're warm, but it's dropped down to a very reasonable warm temperature now. I mean, it's done it quickly. The heat dissipates off of these pretty darn quick. Yeah, they're warm. I could appreciate how, oh, yeah. I mean, it's like almost instantaneous that it gets into the higher temperatures. It takes a while to get there. It takes a little bit to get, oh yeah, ooh, hot. Ooh. They're hot. And that's level 2 and they're hot. Guys, I'm really impressed with this. I like these. This is cool. These will make great little gift or stocking stuffer for that loved one whose hands or legs or I mean, you can put it in your pocket and keep your legs warm, or put it in your chest pocket if your chest is a little bit cold. But basically they're really intended to be that you just hold on to them and warm your hands up, right? Keep them on your hands, in one of those cold days, and you just hold on to it. It will warm up your hands, and it'll do it very well. And I think it's more than enough just on this level 2. That is impressive. And then press to hold, and they power off. And let's see. Yeah, they're cooling off. They're cooling off quick. I mean, it's not cold, but they're not hot. these dissipate heat so quickly. I am quite impressed with this. Really, I am. I'm usually not, you know, that impressed with a very simple product. And it's not too simple, but it's simple enough. It's got a battery, it's got a heating element, and you just turn it on and it gets warm. I do like that if you want to, you can go in and get a multiple sets of colors. In this, I basically have this one right here, which is just a black on black, but you can get like a black on gray. You can get multiple different colors to be a little designery if you want, if that's even a word. But I really am impressed with these. I'm giving these to my wife. I know she's gonna love these. But I just want to let you know, I hope that that was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time, and I'm out.